Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 7th of August. And first of all, national news. Army Mountaineers record climb includes yoga atop 7,103-meter peak. Delhi halts plan to remove street dogs ahead of G20 summit. Haryana Mahapanchayat held without police permission amid tension. Center security boost as fresh violence erupted in Manipur. No hike in rail fares in name of station revamp. Ashwini Vaishnav. PM Modi to attend National Handloom Day at Delhi's Bharat Mandapam on 7th August. Amit Shah hailed strength of Maharashtra cooperative movement. New policy soon, he said. Now some international news. 21 injured, dozens of buildings collapse as 5.4 quake hit East China. Zoom asked its employees to return to office for the first time since the pandemic. At least 30 migrants missing after two shipwrecks off Italian island, a report said. In bold move, Ukraine removed Soviet symbols on monuments in Kiev. Taliban banned girls from studying beyond class 3, a report said. Now, sports related news. Should not make sports politics. Pakistan to play Cricket World Cup in India. Sweden defeated USA in the Women's World Cup. And HS Prannoy signed off with runner up finish at Australian Open. Now, news related to business. Reliance seeks to extend Mukesh Ambani's chairman term for 5 more years. Will Made India manufacturing hub. Industry hails curb on laptop imports. SBI post highest ever quarterly profit of rupees 16,884 crore. Science related news. Giant sun umbrella tied to asteroid might help fight global warming, scientists said. And that's all in news. Thank you.